Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to pin site on Google Chrome. Friends, due to any reason if you want to pin a site on Google Chrome so that it will open automatically when you open Chrome browser, for that you need to open Chrome browser. Now in your Chrome browser open the site. Now after opening the site, if you want to pin this site, then you simply need to right click on the tab. Here you will find the option to pin. Click on it. Now this site is pinned on our Chrome browser. Now whenever we will open the Chrome browser, this site will automatically get loaded. I just show you. I have closed the Chrome browser. Now I am opening it again. Now our site is loaded here. So friends, like this you can very easily pin sites on Chrome browser. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.